Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Dion Charmaine. If you guys want to see how I got this bomb blue hair, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and made the wig off camera and this is what it looks like. I do that because I feel like it's easier to color the hair when the wig is already made because one, I use less dye, and two, I don't have to dye all of my bundles if I don't need to because I typically don't use all of my bundles. So to dye this hair, I'm going to be using the watercolor method. So I'm taking hot water from my sink and I'm using the Adobe color in 172, which is baby blue. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip my entire wig into the color. Now I am going for more of an ombre look, so I definitely focus on the ends more than the rest of the hair because I want the ends to be a little bit darker. So once the water starts to clear up, I go ahead and take the wig out, and this is what the wig looks like after the first bottle of color. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a second bottle and mix that in the water and then re-dunk the wig for another 5 to 10 minutes just to kind of get the desired color that I'm looking for. So this is a trial and error to make sure you get the exact color that you want. So now I'm just checking to make sure that the hair is fully coated in the color and I am happy with the way that the color looks. So this is what it looks like. You can tell it is an ombre and I actually love the way that it turned out. So now we are on to styling. And this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just blow drying the hair in sections and I'm going to do the exact same thing when I flat iron the hair. I do everything in sections when it comes to styling my wigs. I do like to brush them out while I am blow drying it just to make sure that there aren't any tangles, just to make sure if there's any shedding that the hair is coming out while I'm blow drying it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch me blow dry and flat iron the hair and then I will come back. So once I'm done blow drying and flat ironing my wig, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on and make sure it fits how I need it to and that it is snug, and just to see if I need to make any type of adjustments before I actually secure it down. So to secure my wig, I'm just using the Got2b gel because I don't plan on wearing this wig long, and I'm just going to take 2 to 3 layers of the gel and then use the freeze spray on top of that and blow dry it on high heat until it's tacky. So once the Got2b is tacky, I'm just going to bring my lace down right over that and kind of comb the lace into the gel and the freeze spray. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but use the blow dryer just so I know it's secure. Once I know it's secure, you can see me kind of pulling it up just to double check and make sure. I'm going to wrap my edges or wrap the lace with a scarf and then proceed with styling. So here I'm just kind of trying to figure out if I want to do a side part or a middle part. I wasn't really sure, but I ended up going with the middle part. So now I'm just going to start flat ironing the hair, and I had a little technical difficulty because my flat iron kind of timed out. Like once my flat iron's on for so long, it cuts off, and I had to cut it back on. So now that it's back in action, I just started flat ironing my hair. So that my middle part was flat, and still trying to get that part together because me and that part was not getting along for a while. But I do eventually end up plucking it. But I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling now and just kind of let you guys watch me style the wig. And if there's something I feel like I need to kind of chime in on, I will. Okay, y'all, let me just tell y'all something. I cannot curl hair with a flat iron to save my life. Like, it took me like a good 30 minutes just to get these little curls that I got in the front of my head in there. Like, it took me 5 effort to do this. But yeah, okay, I'm done rambling. I just wanted to let y'all know that I really struggled trying to get these curls in my head with this flat iron. Alright y'all, so this is the final look and I absolutely love the way that this hair came out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.